Hello everyone, today we will do linear inequation. Learning objective. Using the properties of inequality, you will able to solve the inequation. Now let's recap. If minus x is greater than or equal to 5, if you multiply by minus 1 both sides, then x is less than or equal to minus 5. If you multiplying by minus 1, sign of inequality changes. And for each x belongs to R, the solution set for the following are: x greater than 1, it is open interval 1 to infinity. It is, if x is less than 1, it is minus infinity to 1 open interval. If x is greater than or equal to 1, it is closed interval 1 to infinity. And if x is less than 1, it is minus infinity to 1 closed interval. And always remember, number line is from minus infinity to plus infinity, and towards infinity there is always an open interval. Solution of linear inequation in one variable, exercise 6.1. Let's start. Exercise 6.1, question number 15. 4x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 7. Now you will transpose like term to one side, transpose 5x to left hand side, plus 5x will become minus 5x, and transpose 3 to other side, it will be minus 3. Now minus x is less than 4. Now you see, in the left hand side there is minus sign. Now you will multiply by minus 1 both sides. Minus x will become plus x, and it is minus 4, and sign of inequality changes. Then solution set will be, it is minus 4 to infinity. 8. Here it is 3, you multiply 3, it is 6 minus 3x. Now you multiply 2 inside, it is 2 minus 2x. Now transpose like term to one side, minus 3x minus 2x will become plus 2x, and plus 6, when we transpose to right hand side, it will become minus 6. Now minus 3x plus 2x, it is minus x, and here it is minus 4. When you multiply by minus 1 both sides, it is plus x, and it is plus 4, and sign of inequality changes. And what is the solution set? The solution set is minus infinity to 4 closed interval. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 देखिए. अब यहाँ फ्रैक्शन है, तो अब इसमें क्या करेंगे कि इस फ्रैक्शन में इनका हम एलसीएम ले लेंगे. 3, 2 और 1 का एलसीएम क्या आएगा? इट इज 6. नाउ divide 6 by 1, it is 6, multiply by x, 6x, and here it is 6 divided by 2 is 3, it is 3x, 6 divided by 3 is 2, you multiply 2 with x, 2x, and here it is 11. Now you add 6x plus 3x plus 2x, it is 11x, and you multiply 6 to right hand side. After cross multiplying we get 66. Now here it is plus, there is no need to multiply by minus 1. Now transpose 11 to right hand side, you cross multiply, and x is less than 6 is your answer. Now in interval you will write minus infinity to 6 open interval. Question number 16. You will write left hand side as it is, and right hand side. अब right hand side में क्या करेंगे? एलसीएम लेंगे. 5 और 4 का एलसीएम क्या आएगा? 20. Now you divide 20 by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. You multiply 5 in numerator. Now 20 divided by 5, it is 4. You multiply 4 with the numerator. Now you multiply 5. 5 into 3 is 15 minus 10. 4 2s are 8 minus 4x minus 4 into minus x. It will be plus 4x. Now you simplify right hand side. 15x plus 4x. Here it is 19x. Minus 10 minus 8 is minus 18 over 20. Now you can cross multiply. Here it is 3 into 19x minus 18. Now you multiply inside. 20 into 2x is 40x. 20 into 1 is 20. It is minus sign. 57x and minus 54. अब लाइक टर्म्स एक तरफ ले आनी है. 40x minus 57x, it is minus 54 plus 20. Now here it is minus 17x is greater than equal to minus 34. Now here it is minus sign. What you will do? You multiply by minus 1. Multiplying by minus 1 both sides. It will become 17x, and here it is plus 34, and sign of inequality changes. Greater than equal to will become less than equal to. Now you transpose 17, cross multiplying. X is less than equal to 2. Then what is the solution set? Solution set is minus infinity to 2 close interval. Question number 17 to question number 22, we have to solve the inequation and hence to represent on a number line. So I'll pick question number 17. 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1. अब इसको सॉल्व बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली उसी तरह करना है जैसे हम इनइक्वालिटी सॉल्व करते हैं. We'll transpose 2x to left hand side. It will be minus 2x, and minus 2 will be transposed to right hand side. It will be plus 2. So here it is x is less than 3. So answer is from minus infinity to 3. So hence we have to represent this on a number line. We will draw a number line. अब नंबर लाइन जब आपने बनानी है तो एक चीज दिमाग में रखना है. 3 जिस पॉइंट पे है वहां पे 3 पे एक इनसर्कल कर लेना है. नाउ लेस देन 3 मींस आपने पूरी लाइन को डार्क कर देना है. इंक्लूडिंग दिस एरो. और इस 3 जो सर्कल बनाया है इसको डार्क नहीं करना, बिकॉज अगर ये 3 लेस देन इक्वल टू 3 होता है, x इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 3 होता तो हम 3 को भी डार्क कर देते. इट इज लेस देन 3 तो सिर्फ 3 से कम वाले ही ऑल रियल नंबर डार्क होंगे, बाकी नहीं. और सोल्यूशन सेट इसका क्या बनेगा? माइनस इनफिनिटी टू 3 ओपन इंटरवल. तो ये आपकी नंबर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. x by 2 इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 3 और 5 का एलसीएम ले लिया आपने 15. Here it will be 15 divided by 3 is 5. You multiply 5 numerator. Now 15 divided by 5 is 3. You multiply 3 with the numerator of second. अब यहाँ पे आपने क्या करना है? 25x minus 10, 7 3s are minus 21 plus 9. Here it is 15. You simplify right hand side. 25 minus 21 is 4x. Here it is minus 1 over 15. Cross multiply. 15x is greater than, it is 2 into 4 x minus 1. 15x, here it is 8x minus 2. Transpose this is minus 2. So 7x is greater than minus 2. X is greater than minus 2 by 7. Now you represent minus 2 by 7 on a number line. Draw another line. Now 2 by 7 is approximately equal to 0.1 something, 0.1 something. So minus 0.1 something will be here. You will encircle this point. Now it is greater than means you will go towards positive infinity, and it is greater than equal to, so we will encircle this point also. Here it is minus 2 by 7. So minus 2 by 7 to infinity.